So this is your cutting tool. Comes with a little cap like this on it. Just take the cap off and you can see when you turn it up, I usually put it down low when it's packed away, and bring it up, you can probably just see the little tip poking out. So I usually do things on probably 5, between 4 and 6 perhaps, sometimes even a little bit lower if it's a kiss cut. You need to do that. If you need to clean or change the blade, this just unscrews and eventually comes off. We'll just carefully take it off. And it looks like that underneath. Sometimes you get little bits of paper stuck down the bottom in there, and that looks pretty clean. It's not too bad. And also sometimes you get bits of glue and stuff on the actual blade, and you can just use a little bit of wrapped up, scrunched up tin foil and just give it a bit of a clean like that. Do that quite a few times to clean it. And this just goes back on carefully. It screws back on. Screw it right down to 12, and don't do like I did one day and really tightened it up really tight and then couldn't undo it. So I don't do that. There we go, and then bring it back to where you need it. So I went it right around to 12, actually just past 12, and then back to 6 to use. I'll show you how to put it in the machine next. Here we are at the machine, and it just goes in the slot like this. Push it right down, make sure it's sitting right at the bottom. This little finger holder is at the front, and then you just lock it in. So you need to make sure you lock it in. All the accessories go in exactly the same way, so the pen tool, the cutting tool and the universal tool all go in exactly the same. You're going to take it out. It's the same, it's just you lift that up and pick it up. Now to put it away, bring it back down to nothing, so the blade's not there anymore, and pop the little cap back on, and you can pop it away.